Yeah, hello ate. So for today we will be making Revel bars.
Yeah.
Yes. Yan. So this is 1 cup of brown sugar and this is 1/2 cup of butter. So ate will gonna mix the butter. You will mix the sugar. Can you do it? Okay, ate will gonna mix it. Anna will gonna use the whisk. Oh, that's good.
Excellent!
Diba you like the Revel bars ate? And add 1 egg. This is large egg. I say large egg. Oh, let's break the yolk. Okay, so we're gonna mix and mix. So that is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Alright. Okay, so after several minutes of mixing, so this is now the butter and sugar mixture. And over here, ate is what? What are we doing? This is a chocolate. That is a melted chocolate. We mix chocolate mixture with special ingredient. It's a special ingredient. There's secret ingredient.
Chocolate milk.
There's
Chocolate and condensed milk.
so we will be mixing or adding 1 1/4 cup of flour. So we're gonna mix it in. Are you having fun with the chocolate? Yes, you like the chocolate. Yes, and look at your face. You are so pretty with the chocolate stains. Can you look here? Wow! Can you give a kiss? This is how the flour and the butter mixture looks like after mixing. So it's very sticky. So now we'll be mixing in 1 1/2 cup of oatmeal. So there you go, oatmeal. Yes. I'm gonna mix in.
I'm mixing chocolate.
You're mixing chocolates. So we will now put the mixture here in our pan with the parchment paper. So this will be messy. So we're gonna use our hands to flatten this layer here. Oh, is playing with the robot.
No, they did astronaut.
That's an astronaut. It's not a robot. So we will now be mixing we'll be pouring in the chocolate. Yay! It looks yummy. Wow. So this will be added on top of this layer. So we will be adding it small pieces by small pieces. So we will be putting pieces of the dough here. So in order to achieve that marble effect. So just small pieces here
Yes.
until the entire or most of the layer here has been covered. So this is now how it looks like after putting in the last layer. So there. Oh, they're excited. So we will gonna be baking these Revel bars in the oven after a while. There goes our snack bars, and they will be in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, see you soon, bars! So here's our Revel bars. We're gonna cut them into square pieces and put them in our sweet corner. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so this is now our Revel bars. Is it yummy, Ate?
Yeah.
Can you give a thumbs up? Because Ate helped in making them. Do you like that?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Can you say bye-bye?